how to send transaction with Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to send a transaction with Trust Wallet. So what you have to do is go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet application, and next what you can do is you could just go ahead and press the send button, then select the asset that you wish to send. For you're sending the asset, make sure that you have enough funds and that your account is verified. When you've actually selected the asset that you wish to send, then you need to paste in the receiver's details or the wallet address, so that you could just and when you've actually pasted in the wallet address, enter the exact amount that you wish to transfer. And next you have to go ahead and select the sources or network type and confirm the transaction, and that's basically how you can send a transaction with Trust Wallet. So by following these steps, you should be able to send a transaction with Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.